Hello again. It's Harry Box of the Technical Trader at techtrader.com. It's Thursday, the 13th of June, and this is the Charts of the Day video. But on Thursdays, we do our swing trade review, so let's do that. I'm going to start off with AEHR, which has been a swing, and I put it on recently after I saw the long 5-wave decline in an orderly channel, a base, and a breakout. Right now, it's been edging. Today, I actually made it the highest level in about two and a half months, reaching 1427 before backing up, but I still think it's headed for 15.5 and 18.5. AGIO exploded. It pulled back. We put a swing on it. It exploded again. It's flagging now, and very bullishly. I'm looking for 60 or better. First target 55. ASTS continues to look very solid. Edged up again today, up only a small fraction, but it's at multi-year-and-a-half long highs. That should lead or might lead to $14 target. BRZE on the short side broke down, and today's negative reversal of $1.48 or 4% has me thinking this goes much lower. Initial target at 31, secondary target 27. CDNA breaks out of an inverse head and shoulders with a breakaway gap and retests, only to bounce. Now, it really hasn't done anything since. It's kind of forming a wedge. I consider that bullish. So we pop out of here, we're probably headed to 1920. Dash on the short side, edged higher and out, but didn't quite make a big enough move. In my way of thinking, there's your target now. If we correct to the downside, if we do not take out resistance, you can stop this one over 118. Then the downside targets are 106.97. DHI hidden shoulder top formed. Even though it popped yesterday, it came right back down today, and I need to get this under 139 to watch this go to 130 and 120. First solar on the long side popped out and ran up from 263 to 306. So 43-point run up, and now a little pullback today. Your next target is 3 1/4 at 365. GERN popped out, pulling back a little bit on low volume. I like to look at this overall. Work its way to 6 and 7. GPS popped, it pulled back. It's now wedging. I like to look on this one. We'll see if it pops again. If it does, mid-30 target. GRMN on the short side, right on support, dropped 3 points or 2% today, but you can see that it's right on the precipice. Key support now. Looks like about 158. Below that is headed towards 151. Next is Harrow. Pop breakout and coil. We put a swing on it. It's moved from near 16 to over 19. Extension target top of the channel 21 and then 23. IDN popped out, pulled back, popped again, and pulled back. But I like the overall look of this. Key support 3 1/4, resistance 4 1/4. Target 5 and 6. On the short side, INFA continues to stair step down. Reversed off the trend line today. Next target, about 26. Excuse me, INOD. Breakaway gap, rising channel. Target 19. Looking good. IPW exploded, retraced, ran up again and retraced, forming an ascending bull wedge. Today, late in the day, it popped from 255 to 343, finished 312, up 60 cents. That's 24%. If we get through this double top, I can see 4.5 and 5 1/4. JMIA made a new high on the reversal today, getting up to 1055, but finishing at 940. Still, it was a little extended up here, but I think it has room to extend even further. My target 12.5. LSPD continues to consolidate now for nearly a month in a flag pattern after breaking out. We're going to need this to get above 1565 in order for it to go to 17.5 3/4. 3M, key technical breakout from the flag. It then ran to the target number 1. Pull back and wedged. The next target is 110.11. Seed. Narrowing near the apex of a long multi-session coil, I should say, similar to what we had here, which exploded. I think the same thing's going to happen. I think the stock's headed for 8. Sketchers. Popped and pulled back and formed a little beautiful coil. We put a swing on it. It's moved from mid-60s to the mid-70s. The target's 79. And finally, WGS has been a tech trader swing for weeks now. It's really doing well. Continues to look good. I now have a target of 35. And that's it for the charts of the day, weekly swing trade review. Bye, everybody.